Okay, hi everyone. So today I wanted to record a video about the first ever AI that SuccessFactors released around payroll. And so this is just nothing groundbreaking here, but it's being able to navigate there. And so can you help me view my pay? Right. So speak to Joule, natural language, what you're looking to do. And if you have Employee Central Payroll, you have Joule turned on. This is actually an included use case at the time of this video. But here's your latest pay statement. And so it shows the details of your current pay statement. And then you can navigate either directly to this current pay statement or to the pay history. And so if I click into this, now this will take me to the full history of my pay. And then I can go through the list or look for a specific pay statement. And then as the standard functionality, you can print it to your printer or you can download it if you need to email it or do anything along those lines. So once again, nothing groundbreaking, but it is a nice one that you can include because it's included with the baseline Joule at the time of this video. And then the next step for the next evolution to this is where the employee can ask questions about their pay. So this functionality that I'm showing here was released in the first half 2025, and then SAP released the Ask My Pay Statement in the second half 2025 release. So you're going to see more and more of this, and so I'll do another video with the Ask My Pay Statement. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.